So the next thing we need to do is adjust the bypass valve. So I've already screwed it out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to close all of these valves to stop any liquid going out the lines. So once you've closed all of the Wilbur tubes, we're now going to come back into the manual operation and we're going to close this. And what we want is for all the flow, well, basically there should be any flow coming out of the lines. The other thing we need to do is put it into max rate control. So we want to drive the regulator down, so we push the plus button until the regulator stops moving. So we're forcing all of the flow out the back, okay? So the system's now running at 8 bar, we're a bit deadheaded, so I'm gonna back this off. To about 5 bar, okay? So that's now gonna protect the system. You can see now that a lot of the leaks have now stopped, okay? So that's how you set the bypass valve. Oh shit. So to set the bypass valve, we screw it in. Until we get 5 bar. Okay, what you can do is screw it in further and you can now check all of the connections and you'll see where it leaks. But basically, set it to 5 bar and that's how you set the bypass valve.